What's good, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Lika. I'm back again with another video. Okay, so yeah, guys, today is actually the 5th of January, and guess whose birthday it is? Mine. Okay. So yeah, today is actually my birthday. I have turned 20 awesome years old today. I am super happy. I woke up to a lot of messages on social media and everything. So I want to actually celebrate this birthday with you guys. I don't know what's gonna happen today. I'm actually heading to work. I'm just waiting for someone. I'm giving them a lift, then I'm going to work. So I'm just heading to work, and I don't know what today is gonna bring. But anyway, for starters, my household prepared me heavy breakfasts. I think I'm gonna eat this for breakfast and lunch. Like, they know I love chicken, I love green beans, and also you guys, I think by now you know that I'm just ever eating chicken because chicken is like my favorite protein. Yeah. It's actually my favorite protein. So yeah, I'm just going to wake, like, whatever messages I'm gonna receive, I'm gonna share here. Even the ones that I've already received, I'm gonna share here. And I am also going to share here if I'm going to receive anything at all. Like, I've already started receiving things. So yeah, I am super happy. So let's get into this video. Let's go. Pew, 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 pew. This is actually my first present from a very good friend of mine, Lee. Thank you so much. And this is from my work buddy, Miss Cho.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh my.
Madam, this is Mom Chola. She love you so much.
Oh, thank you, babe go, Chola.
Another one will come tomorrow.
Another one?
Yeah.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
It will be coming every day. Thank you so much.
Okay.
And this present is coming all the way from a very good friend of mine. Thank you so much, Daddy Lenny. I appreciate you. Eish, guys, this is just too much. Yeah. They call me rocker, yeah. They call me rocker. I can no more pretend. You don't scatter my defense. Little things for the end. Swear you're gonna like me. Can I be your girl? That friend with no real end. Doing all the things you like. My temperature rising. You be my king. Guys, so the presents that I've been getting, like, people love me. They do love me.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also the messages are just a lot. So if I'm not going to put your message here, just know that I received your message. I appreciate you, and so long I received.
And you are the best.
And you are the best. So long I received your text message, I appreciate so much. Yeah.
Don't forget that we are still celebrating the birthday. And the present should keep coming.
Yes, please.
Yes. We need presents.
And we need what?
We need presents. Presents should continue coming.
That's true. So there are just the two of us in the office.
Traveling, they can as well send.
You can as well send, even tomorrow. Even you can still send, so long you've sent, you know. And you guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much.
We need also a present in form of laptops.
What?
We need presents in form of laptops. As you can see, I've got 2 laptops here.
My friend is rich. He's got 2 laptops. So yeah, no, just ignore him. Just ignore him. But yeah, guys, thank you so much. Like, I really appreciate you guys. Hey, Aish. And you guys, Temwani just bought for me a whole lunch. Like lunch, okay? I wish my sister-in-law was here to like taste the oxtail, because we eat the oxtail, the 2 of us. So Temwani bought for me lunch from Ten and Tender. I'm about to dig in. Let me show you guys. Like, I love food. If you know me, you know that I love food, right?
Yeah.
I love food, eh?
Yeah.
He's like, yeah.
But not that much.
May I eat, guys? Look at that. This is oxtail. You eat some, huh?
Wow.
I know, right? And
It's
yellow rice. It's from Ten and Tender. We're actually about to dig in. Hey, thank you so much, man. I love you, Temwani. Thank you so much. Hey, you guys, you're supposed to have friends like mine, hey? Someone carried my bag. He sang for me today. He gave me a present. Thank you. It's my day, and I'm about to dig in. And look, those are my presents there. And I have to see someone for my cake. Ish, guys, I'm in love with all of you guys. Yeah. They call me rocker, yeah. They call me rocker. I can no more pretend. You don't scatter my defense. Little things for the end. Swear you're gonna like me. Can I be your girl? That friend with no real end. Doing all the things you like.
Happy birthday to you.
I was born my happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Paris. Happy birthday to you.
Hey, guys. Hey.
Wonderful. This is wow.
Hey guys, so I just got home and I received flowers. Yeah. So I'm actually here with my nieces, about 4 of them. How many are you guys? 4. Yeah, we're actually 4. So here is, what's your name, baby girl?
Baby.
Malumba Weepy. What's and yeah, so like we are about to cut, like I've already cut 1 cake of my sisters, so I'm about to cut another one right here.
And I dance it.
No one is dancing.
I did you.
Yeah, so we're about to cut another one.
Tell for the mothers to
subscribe. Give me this. It says, to the busiest tour guide, Kimi. I love you, Aggie.
And that's behind you.
And
What is that?
this came from a very special somebody. Like,
Sorry.
this came from my daddy, Lainey. A special somebody. My niece is like asking me, your dad? Like,
Your
yeah.
daddy?
Yeah.
So you're really hard.
There's a card, I know.
Card.
No, don't show the card. Don't show the card. Niggas ons can beg.
Okay, let me see.
1, 2, ready, go. Sing. Shout.
The birthday girl.
Shout.
Happy birthday, Happy birthday
The vibes.
to you.
The vibes.
Present.
what's inside. Remove it, Polia. Oh, this came from my best friend, my other best friend. This came from a very special girl. I hold her so dear to my heart. My best friend for at work. Chola. Woo!
It is what it is. Happy birthday. Welcome back to my channel.
Birthday, dear big. Let's sing again. Happy birthday, dear Ethan and Big Mommy. Happy birthday to you. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hip, hip, hip. Hi, Baba.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear big me. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you so much, my love.
That's the big mama.
Thank you so much, darling. Thank you so much. Okay. You're going to bring mommy a present.
I bring for you cake.
Oh, thank you. Hey guys, so I am super tired. Like today has been an amazing day. I'm super tired. Like I just want to sleep right now. I'm supposed to rest. So thank you so much guys for always coming back to watch my videos. Remember to subscribe, share with your friends, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you want to watch next. See you in my next video.